Set up. Well, let's get our technical experts back on the show. We have Sudarshan Sukhani as well as Mitessh Thakkar who join in. Good morning, gentlemen. Hope you're having a good Monday morning. Well, Sudarshan, you go first. Tell us what's the trade on the index. We had a good relief rally on Friday. Are there's, is there more steam left?
Good morning. See, the Nifty has found support at 17,800 repeatedly. Now, whether that support holds or not is something for the markets to decide. But Friday, we saw a decent rally from intraday lows. Now, the trade is to stick with the rally until proved otherwise. So, trade on the long side of the market, keep a stop at 17,850, which is just under the low of Friday. So, if that low is being defended, then we would like to be on the long side of the market. There is significant resistance on the upside as the market goes, as the Nifty goes up. So just be prepared to take profits wherever you can. But the trade today is to go long with that stop.
All right. Gentlemen, good morning. Mitessh, what about you? Are you still eyeing eventually further lower levels?
Good morning. That is the case, but I think, the Friday's rally suggests that there could be a stronger pullback first. So I am looking at the Nifty and the Bank Nifty getting past the Friday's high, which is 18,000 for the Nifty and about 42,450 for the Bank Nifty. I think once that happens, we could see an extension of this pullback, and then I would look at levels of 18,150 to about 18,250 on the Nifty to begin with. So in the short term, I think trading with positive bias, that break of 17,800 after about, multiple times in the last 4 weeks, we saw that level being tested, but it kind of managed to hold on. I think now possibly it could first give you a pullback rally before it breaks down. So as of now, I think, my view is slightly positive, but I would want to trade once the market starts getting past Friday's high.
All right, let's talk about individual stocks. Sudarshan, I wanted your list first up and also your thoughts on how to approach HDFC Bank. Of course, it has had a huge degree of underperformance over the past many years, but now is a tide turning technically?
Technically, HDFC Bank is in such a tight range that it's bound to break. Since a downside breakout for such a large, high-quality bank is very unlikely, I expect investors to be well rewarded if they hold on, if they buy at current levels and hold on to it for a couple of years. This is not an intraday trading strategy. It's for people who want real wealth, buy it and hold on to it. Now I come to my stocks. Bajaj Auto is a buying opportunity. The stock has been in a trading range. When the Nifty fell, it did not fall. That itself says something good about it. Buy with a stop under 35.80. My only intraday short is Dixon Technologies. That has been going through a bear market of its own. It's an intraday short with a stop above 36.75. L&T is a buy. It had a sharp decline and then a significant rally intraday on Friday. I think the rally suggests that there is buying at lower levels. Consider buying it with a stop under 2100. And finally, State Bank is a buying opportunity. This is more of a buy on dips trade rather than a clear uptrend. But if the Nifty is holding on to support, perhaps State Bank should also do that. Buy with a stop under 590. So yeah, all the trades will make something if you hold on to them. I don't think these are intraday trades.
Okay, all right, got that. Thanks, Sudarshan, for that. Mitessh, what about you? Individual stocks you're tracking?
Nigel, I'm going with all buy list, slightly an early call, but I believe that there's a stronger chance in the short term of Nifty getting past 18,000, and therefore long trades would be my focus area. So I have 4 buy calls today. Federal Bank is a buy with a stop at 136 for targets of 145. And that's one stock which has been really outperforming. So Federal Bank is the first stock. I have one more name from the banking sector, which is IndusInd Bank. It's a conditional buy. It had a good move on Friday. 1240 is some kind of a pivot. Once it starts getting past 1240, 1242, buy with a stop at about 1224 and a target of 1280 in the short term is what I would suggest. That apart, TCS, after the numbers gave a good move, it's looking like some kind of a short-term uptrend. So buy here with a stop at 33.50 for targets of 34.30. And the final buy call is on HDFC Life. After a good breakout, the last week was all about a pullback and consolidation. So now can be bought with a stop at 593 for targets of around 625.
Okay, all right, gentlemen, great to have both of you with us here. Appreciate your time as always. So those are trading ideas coming through. We'll put out more. There's 2 minutes to go for the pre-open session. We'll take a quick break. We are back with the pre-open.